Welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'll be taking you through the SIA website. SIA is a decentralized cloud storage platform that uses a blockchain to payments. Cloud storage is about to change. Are you ready? You can click this button to get started. Completely private, far more affordable, highly open source, marketplace on blockchain. You can enter your email to sign up for announcements. Just like that. Then click submit. There are 9,339 commits, 455 forks, 35 releases, and 50 contributors. Learn. You can check out their blog, video, and documentation. You can also click this text to learn more. So I'm going to end the video right here. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like. Don't forget to go to the Weirdcoins website to find more information about Bitcoin.